Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm going to show you how to wear a halo. This is the regular halo, the standard halo from Renau of Paris in their dark chocolate color. I figured this one would be really close to my bio hair, so we're going to run with it. A halo, like this one, comes with a detachable bang, so you can opt to put the bang on if you want. I never wear bangs in real life, so I'm not going to put the bang on. I'm just going to show you what the halo itself looks like. The reason why I don't wear bangs, by the way, is because my forehead's really small. So a lot of times the pre-cut bangs on wigs and halos and whatnot tend to overwhelm my face. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. It's going to look super weird, but just bear with me. I got some hats so I can show you how this works. So I've got the felt band of the halo right up against my hairline, and the rest of it is hanging down. I've got two hats with me. I got this really nice hand knit hat. I'm going to put this on over top first so you can kind of see what this looks like with the halo in the winter time. So now you can kind of see how these halos come in handy. You know, like let's say you have a really sensitive area on the top of your scalp, or you have sores on the top of your scalp or something like that. It happens. And you know, you still want to look feminine. You still want to have hair down here. You just can't tolerate a closed cap up top or even a topper. So this is a really nice way to get around this because your head's still going to be covered. It's still going to be comfortable. You can pick whatever hat you find most comfortable. Like this is actually lamb's wool, so it's super, super comfy. A friend of mine knit this for me. So she's gifted, isn't it gorgeous? But anyway, you know, you just want to keep your options open sometimes, especially if you have a really sensitive scalp. And a halo is a really great way to go around that. And also in the summer, halos are fantastic, especially if you go to like sporting events or something like that. They've got shorter halos than this. Just plop one of those on, stick on a ball cap or, you know, like a sun hat or something like that, wear it in the pool or something. You're great to go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. And I've got one more kind of hat here to show you how this halo can work. This is actually a Jon Renau Softie wrap. This is in their animal multi-print. I love this print. And I love these Softie wraps. They're super comfortable. So if you have a super sensitive scalp, but your head gets cold all the time, these look great with halos and they're really comfortable and cute to wear by themselves. But I'm going to show you how this looks with the halo. I'm not even going to do anything special with the tying of it. I'm just gonna tie it like that. But yeah, and that's very cool. This is made of like a viscous bamboo material, so it's very cool. It breathes really well. It kind of wicks the sweat away from your skin. So again, if you have a sensitive scalp, if you've got issues there, that's really helpful. And because of the way that the halos are made, no one's gonna know. Like especially like I don't even have to, you know, pin this down or anything. It's going to stay in place, you know, because these Softie wraps are actually really secure because of the way they tie in the back. So these halos really come in handy, especially like I said, if you have sensitivity issues or you get hot flashes. If you have issues with that kind of stuff, this is a great addition, this combo, to your wig wardrobe, because you know, nothing stinks more when you're having menopausal hot flashes than trying to stick a wig on your head. I mean, it's already bad enough you feel like you're burning up, but then try to stick something like that on. Oh, it's like a hot basket is sitting on your head. The Softie wrap by itself will make you feel covered and comfortable. If you add a halo, you'll still be cool and you'll still look feminine and no one will know. So hopefully this has kind of opened your eyes to some of the possibilities of what you can do with one of these versatile little halos. And we have a couple different kinds of halos on our website, as well as multiple different kinds of Softie wraps and hats. Or have a really gifted friend knit you one, you know? I don't know, I lucked out here. But anyway, this has been the regular halo with the detachable bang. So kind of use your imagination there. From Renee of Paris in the color Dark Chocolate, paired with the Jon Renau Softie wrap in the Animal Multi-print. And I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you find them helpful. And if you do, hopefully you'll check out my wig site. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. Until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.